Welcome to Daily Money Updates from Extrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Yesterday we saw again a strong rebound for the second consecutive day, and the markets were approaching 15,000, especially Nifty, with the index clocking gains close to 160 points. IT majors along with pharma were the preferred picks as banks were muted in action yesterday. We discussed yesterday in our video that the stocks were more focus will be in the IT and auto sectors, and we saw good rallies happening in the IT and auto sectoral indexes. As well as we discussed that the range of Nifty will be somewhere around 14,800 to 14,980, and we saw Nifty closing around that particular zone only. So coming to the FIA and DA numbers, FIA yesterday bought close to 2,223 crores, and DAs yesterday sold close to 854 crores. So again we are seeing some positive momentum coming from the FIA side, which after a good long selling, they have now started coming into the buying area. Okay, what is the market setup for the day? The market setup today, SGX Nifty is indicating a positive start. We are seeing somewhere around 34 points, and at this time it is around 15,018 it has been showing in the index. So it is mildly positive, but the global cues, the US markets were yesterday mixed, and we saw loss and profit booking was happening in both the Nasdaq as well as the Dow Jones, especially the telecom stocks, especially the IT stocks were seeing more profit booking happening in the markets yesterday in US, we can see. So positive news is the bond yields are falling down from 1.66, it has come down to 1.39, and we are seeing the US dollar also getting weakening, which is positive for emerging markets like India. Okay, what is the trade setup for the day? Market texture again still remains buy on dips, where the focus shifts more towards the mid cap stocks, where there is more value buying which is being seen. Will this be a reversal signal, which we asked yesterday? And we are seeing it is a reversal sign, because markets have not broken the Friday's low, and it starts rebounding from the low of what made it on Friday, and we can see some good support happening in that zone. So yes, we are seeing some reversal sign, and as we discussed yesterday, if the market is sustaining more than 14,800, we can see some short covering happen, and that's what happened yesterday. If you see the last 30 minutes, sudden spike of 100 points which came in the Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So this indicates that we can see some more reversal sign which has been coming on, and we can see market going towards the 15,000 area. So question today is, can Nifty go past 15,000 and sustain? That is the question, being a Wednesday, one day prior to the first weekly option expiry. Today will be definitely volatile because there will be, since Nifty is nearing towards the 15,000 mark area, we can see DAs will be selling aggressively, and it leads to some volatility. Yesterday we saw that the banks underperformed full throughout the day, and only in the last 30 minutes the banks recovered. Reliance was struggling somewhere around 2,100 levels. HDFC and HDFC Bank are also struggling. If there to be a meaningful upside to go up, we need to see the HDFC Twins and Reliance as to do some outperformance. So then only we can see market still further going up. So Nifty likely to find a very good support somewhere around 14,800, as it will be acting as a first support, and Bank Nifty will be having a support around 35,000. Whenever the 35,000 was breaking up yesterday, we saw buying coming inside, so it acts as a good support. Okay, so for today we can expect some more consolidation, and volatility will be there. Every Wednesday will be a volatile Wednesday, especially post 2 p.m. we can see some volatility happening in the market. Okay, so mid cap will be the focus, and it is mid cap index are hitting all-time highs. As I said, the money is chasing the value rather than the growth. Okay, so positive news is that Indian volatility index is also come down from 25 levels to 23 levels, which is also a sign of bullishness. So we can watch out for this levels what I have discussed just now. So the support and resistance level for the day will be, Nifty will find a support, as I said, 14,800 will be the first support, but the second support we can see it around 14,700. Nifty resistance will be at around 15,100. Bank Nifty support we can find around 35,000, and resistance for the Bank Nifty will be around 35,850. what are the buzzing news which we saw yesterday? Few points are there. Shipping corporation surges 19% as government multiples bids for privatization, and Tata Motors were clocking highest ever private vehicle sales in the 9 years in February 2021. So the stock is up by 5%. Hero Honda Motor Corp also raised 2% nearest to the 52-week high as their February sales improved. These points we discussed yesterday also. And Railtel Corporation raises for the third day, and the stock is up around 85% over the issue price. So this is the stock which can be watched out. So important stocks to be looked out for the day will be Reliance Industries, Ircon, HCL Tech, Motherson Sumi, and telecom stocks, especially after the spectrum issues being over. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our Telegram channel for getting more updates on this news and also on the updates why we are mentioning these important stocks. Wishing you all success for the day. Thank you so much.